Totalkare is an organisation focused on providing equipment and services for commercial vehicle workshops.
Everyone's job as an individual is important, but nothing would turn, the cogs wouldn't work if we didn't all work as a team. Every team is so important for what they do, and it's so nice to know that we've got that great kind of teamwork and energy. You never feel like you're alone, or if you need help from another team member, it's always going to be there for you.
Totalkare, I think, is a fantastic place to work. Why? Because we look after each other. It's a cross between a family business and a corporate business, taking the best bits from both.
I think for us, we've got a very strong brand, but we do generally believe in customer service. We have a good moral compass. We are honest and straight with the people we deal with.
It's that service ethos we've got within the business that whatever we do, we provide the top quality levels of service to our customers.
I've made some of my best friends at work, so it's a really enjoyable place to come to. And we look after each other. We're a good company to work for.
It's all about being there, not today, not tomorrow, not next year, but in decades' time. And it's that trust that the customer has in the brand and in the business that we're there forever.